Hello everyone, welcome to another short tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can fix Valorant error code 34 or error code VAL43. So before just starting your just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new in this channel. So if you're facing Valorant error code 43 or there was an error occur connecting the platform problem on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, simply first of all you just need to go to start menu and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video and just restart your PC. After doing all these steps, this will fix your problem.